I don't know whether I'll be able to speak also, but he has been very close to us from the day he joined Stockholding in 1988, and he has been our friend, our mentor, our guide, our supporter, and he has come personally to each and every one of us and said good morning every morning when he entered the office. So we really appreciate his personal touch, his smile, his presence, and we thank him for being in our lives and his support. Mr. Mewala joined in 1988 on the 16th of March. And
No, May.
Sorry. I joined in March, sorry. Yeah.
Very good. Good for him, no?
Yeah, on the 16th of May. And basically, Stockholding, we were 5 or 6 employees at that time, and I think his employees were 10. And he built Stockholding from the ground to what it is today, with all the support of all his colleagues and his,
He's employee number 10.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Right. And Stockholding has been a pioneer with his inspiration, support, and guidance in
And
many
everyone
things.
else is also.
Yes.
I'll interject
Yes.
with
Yeah.
where she says.
Yes.
Sorry.
And in the fields of technology, in custodial services, e-stamping, depository, and many more things. So all of us appreciate his presence with us, and we will really miss him. Right? And we would like to please cut the cake and can we all...
He missed this cake during his birthday this year.
Yes.
This year because of pandemic, we didn't have his birthday celebrated the way it used to be celebrated. So now that he's got it for us.
Yeah, I said if there's a cake cutting,
Yes.
why not this cake? Okay, which all of you guys like. So, cake's here for you all. Shall we sing? What do you want to sing?
Belated birthday wishes.
Birthday sing करते हैं ना happy birthday. Normally we celebrate
Yeah,
birthday.
belated happy birthday.
Yes.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mewala sir. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We request every to
All the cakes are vegetarian, so please, today being Thursday, we didn't want to take any chances, so all cakes vegetarian.
Love and affection from
Thank
the stockholding or Shill family.
Thank
This
you.
is your gratuity settlement.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
This is a bouquet from Vinay and his team.
Thank you,
From
sir.
Ahmedabad. Before we proceed, I would like a guest of honor who is Sriram, who has come here. He wants to address in this event. So you have the first opportunity to address.
Thank you, sir. I think this was a great surprise to me, I would say. I don't know what to say. I never expected this, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shriram is known to all of us mostly, so Shriram has worked with us. So for all of you who are new, I don't think I see any new face here. So all of you know Mr. Shriram.
Thank you, sir. I just requested him, I would like to say a few words. He said, go and consult the Master of Ceremonies. I approached you, but this surprise I never expected. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You have given me this platform. And it's really my honor. It's really my honor to be in this platform and be as a part of the farewell function of Mr. Mewala. He's someone very important to me. Very, very important, because when I joined the organization, very rarely it happens, when I joined the organization, I consulted him When I left the organization, I consulted him, and both the things he said, yes, please, that's your choice. When I was selected for this organization, when I came here, I thought, no, I need to consult someone very. So I went and asked one of my seniors in IDBI, sir, I have been selected over here, what should I do? Whether I should do? He said, you go and talk to Mr. Mevawala. I said, I have met him, but I am not being able to place him. He says, no, just introduce yourself and go and meet him. And then I said, okay. And I just went and I told him, sir, this is the thing. I have been selected. I am coming here as a lateral entry. The lateral entry is always an issue. It's a very difficult situation. Whether people accept, not accept, all these things are there. He says one thing, Sriram, I am not bothered. What level you come, what is your pay scale, I am not bothered. Only one thing I will say. Most of these guys who come on lateral entry, they are totally unhappy. I don't want you to be like them. You be here, you should be happy. I said, yes, sir, I will always be smiling. This is one thing which I can never forget. I don't hear possibly now what had actually happened. When I was sitting with him right now, he was telling someone the same thing. I was wondering, sir, this is what you told me more than 15 years back and you are repeating the same. He said, I tell the same thing to everyone. Sir, absolutely I can say, my 7 years in my life that I spent with stockholding was a golden period for me. I was happy with everyone, great people, great things. Really tears rolled when I left this organization because something which was very passionate to me in my heart, my treasury, I had to deal with my treasury. I went to Sydney, that's something. When I left again, somehow people did not want, at the time, sir, I was as a part of thing, I was having a twin role. I was also adding HR and he asked me, so somehow or other, some people did not want me to leave this organization. He was drafted, I do not know, he called me, he said, Sriram, what will make you not leave stockholding? What should I do? I said, sir, no sir, I think it's already been decided. I have gone through a very tough interview process which is it's a government appointment and they have taken permission from government for things and it's a very tough day, it's a long process. They have undergone, the MD will not agree. And then he said, I'll make you a last offer. He says, Sriram, I am going to give you, can I offer you executive vice president post? I was shocked. Here is a gentleman who himself is I have never seen in life. The kind of person, he says, he is an executive president and he is offering me. I said, sir, there can be only one executive president, that is only you, sir. I can never be equal to you. You are the only person, sorry sir, thank you so much for all these things. And then he said, okay, you are going, be happy and then leave. I said, I am extremely happy, sir. So when I entered the organization, I met him. When I left the organization, I can never forget him. So when he's leaving, I thought I should be with him. So that's how I'm here.
Thank you, sir.
Only thing is that just 2 minutes of yours. I know a lot of you will have to speak. And for a person like him, I thought usually I'm an extempore speaker, being a lecturer in Management Institute. I am a speaker, so I would not be speaking, and it will go to 6. So I thought I will come with just prepared a speech so that I don't make any mistake, I don't miss any points. I'll just only read out some of the things so that I don't miss any points, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Mevawala is born in a month which is a revolutionary month, October. October is called a revolution month. He is born in the month of October and he is truly a revolution man. He was a core member of the team that brought about a revolution in the capital market of India. This made it possible to do away with the physical share certificates that brought cheers to millions of Indian investors. And because of this, our stock market's volume surged, not in arithmetical terms, but in geometrical progression. The kind of surge which has happened only because of the demat. But unfortunately, but anyway, he has not particular thing, but I always feel for him. He is like Thomas Alva Edison, who invented the bulb, but the other bulb manufacturers prospered. Like Philip and Sylvania Lakshman prospered in the same way. He is the person who is the father of the demat, but the other guys like Isaac and other people prospered, but anyway, he does not mind, but I feel for it. And today is the day when we have to give a very standing ovation for this. great legendary thing. Absolutely. He is the innovator, he is the inventor, but somebody has taken the profits. Something like this is what it happens, everyone in the world, and he is a part of it. And I have seen him. One thing is that why he is a person who has been successful was he sees a problem and he finds 3 solutions. And he also finds which is the best solution for it. Absolutely, very clearly he'll say this is the problem, so there is nothing, there is no problem in this world and there is no solution. This is one thing which he has done. And another very important thing is that, particular thing is that, the 3 things which which really inspired him and which I always see him appreciate. One is perfection, second is kindness, and the third thing is ethics. The 3 things which I would say, which I'll highlight is only these 3 things. Perfection, all of you would agree. No particular thing. If there is one person who is more perfect for him, then it is only God.
No. Please.
Absolutely. No, sir, I can say, okay, that's my view, sir.
Yeah.
That's my views. That is the kind of perfection. And only 2 things, sir, I would say. Our edifice in Mape, whether it is a building or it may be the training center, is a glaring example of his perfection. Same thing is this boardroom. Same thing is the boardroom, the kind of ambience we have in this room, and we are really proud of it. And what I saw 10 years before, today I see the same thing. The kind of things. So really I do not know, I have no words to say. That's the thing. As regards kindness, sir, I do not know. I have never seen you being harsh, either in intention or in words or in actions to anyone. Not only to me, it's because of anyone, right from the chaiwala to the persons I have seen. That's the kindness which speaks volumes. And the third important thing, which is very important, and it is something, it is the ethics. When we talk about ethics, I would only can compare him with only one figure, and that figure is from Mahabharata. The person is Vikarna. Most of you may not know who is Vikarna. Vikarna is the last brother of Duryodhana. When Krishna was asked, who is the person who practices the dharma better than Yudhishthira? He says Vikarna. Arjuna was shocked. More than Yudhishthira? He said, Yudhishthira is nothing. Yudhishthira, all of you are good. And he practices dharma, what is so great? Vikarna is in the group of Kauravas. And he stands when Draupadi was disrobed. Bhishma, Dronacharya, everything were keeping quiet. At that time, Vikarna opposed. That is the kind of person, that is the kind of ethics which he has got. To be in that thing and be faced and speak about ethics is different. Vikarna is much better than Yudhishthira. He is nothing but a modern day Vikarna.
Thank you.
This is what I would say. Yes. And as regards leadership is concerned, he is an outstanding leader. I have no particular thing. We are really proud. I was really proud of him being always a leader with me. A great person. Leadership comes very natural to him, just like fish to water. As simple as that. Only one thing which I will admire you, sir, the kind of meetings you conduct. I think you should write after your retirement, you should write a book on chairing a meeting. I'm telling you honestly, this book will be a roaring success. Please write a book on chairing a meeting. The very particular thing, still I remember, when there were used to be any confusion, contention, this you used to say this. I think most of the people who are in management committee will remember. You just say, yes, wait guys.
Time out.
Correct? I think you remember. This was your common non-verbal communication. So powerful non-verbal communication. And absolutely, sir, I salute you for this.
Thank you.
I have no particular thing. I will end this speech. Only thing, no words can express my feelings. No gratitude can convey my feelings. I thank you for all the support you have rendered to me, to everyone. Although you are much younger to me, sir, your hands were always above my head. Thank you, sir. Only in the end, sir, I will only request you. You are a very person with a large-hearted person. Very large-hearted person, sir. I think I told you an incident also. When I asked you for something in IBPA, you gave me more than what I really asked for. Now I request you anyway, with the consent of your board, with the consent of everyone, I am asking a very small thing to do. Just only a suggestion. I got no business. I am no one. I am just Sri Ram with nothing, no power, no nothing. I am just an individual. Only one small request to you, sir. No organization can become more than, no individual can become more powerful than an organization. I am not asking you to name Shill House after Mewawala. I am not asking you to name. I am not asking you to name the training center of Mewawala. All I request you is a small thing. There is a small multi-purpose hall there. I just ask a particular things over there. I will just request you, sir. Let me put my. That multi-purpose hall. Okay, don't put Mewawala. That at least put RHM. Nobody understands. Okay, somebody ask what is RHM, kindly explain. So that we will remember you whenever particular thing. With this, I end the note. I thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You said a lot of things. Thank you.
I would like to open the forum so that people can speak. I'll give my address at the last.
Guys, don't make me cry, okay? Morning you.
Okay, before anyone speaks, can I just read a poetry by Rohini? Beautiful.
Yes.
We are sending it to you on the soft copy also, but it is really lovely, so I thought I would share. Sorry to go beyond the. Okay, RRHM, right? There are men and there are mountains that rise above the crest. To know them is a divine gift. If you learn from them, you're blessed. Our dear Mr. Mewawala, right with us right from the start, with wide and varied interests from stock markets to art. Stock holdings, stalwart pillar, stock holdings own heartbeat. Without your kindly presence, we are feeling incomplete.
Yes.
Wrong guy.
That's Rohini.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You will be missed by one and all, each day and all the while. We'll miss your astute guidance, your ever-ready smile. Kind and true in every way, with one voice we'll agree, you are the sort of gentleman that sons must grow to be. We will recall each word you said. We'll do the best we can. You'll shine forever in our hearts. Stock holdings, right hand man. That's RHM.
Thank you and very well written.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Go ahead. Right, Jagdish.
Yeah, actually, our first batch, we were the first batch of 14 who joined on 16th May 88, and we met Mewawala sir on that day. We were all freshers or almost freshers. I mean, each one of us would have hardly had any experience, 1 year, 2 years, or no experience at all. And we came, we met people go abroad for finishing school, but we underwent the finishing school under RH Mewawala's training and guidance. He was a grooming school for us. He was a finishing school for us. Right from how you conduct yourself, how you present yourself, your styling, the way you speak, the presentations that you make, the eye contact that you should have, to what you eat, what is, you know, your how you keep your spoons, your knives, your forks, the entire table manners and etiquettes, you know, the entire grooming started from day one. So I think he was at finishing school and grooming school, and I think we'd say it even till today, nobody can make a presentation better than Mr. Mewawala sir. There's no one like him who can present you know, the presentation, and of course his way of conducting meetings. He has taught us, in fact, he has been a source of inspiration. He has been, I will rather use, he has inspired, he has made us aspire, he has made us desire, he has made us perspire also.
I was going to say that.
So,
I have rubbed you guys also.
Rubbed us also. Okay, come on. Boys, your break is over. You have to get back to work.
Correct.
So it has been a long journey. Of course, the words and the feelings are, we fall short of words and, you know, feelings. The timeline is too big to express what we feel today. And he's moving into a new space, new phase, and I would wish for him all the health, all the happiness,
That's the
and
most
may he
important.
continue to aspire and inspire everybody wherever he goes.
Thank you.
All the best, sir.
Thank
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
It was
Jay.
a
Thank you.
pleasure to have part of our lives for 32 long years, and going forward also
Thank
you
you.
will be part of our lives.
Thank you.
The impression which
Thank
you have made on us has been something which is lasting, and thank you very much for
Thank you.
everything, sir.
Thank
Thank you for being.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. It's a very difficult time to speak, because the time window is so small, and if you have to really capture 32 years with Mr. Mewala, for me is really a difficult challenge. I get various images in my mind of Mr. Mewala, that we are holding suitcases and waiting in the stock exchange, and poor Mewala is making some God knows how many trips along with us in the bags to Mittal Port. I still remember him taking us in the vehicle from Villeparle to Nariman Point, and I just can't imagine so many things. I was lucky, I must say, that I had to spend maximum time with him. I was like, people can call me, I was a real follower for him. At one stage, situation comes that the thought process was so smooth on. Without looking at each other, we both of us were thinking same. And we know after meeting we discuss, I thought like this, he also said the same thing. And this kind of a situation comes with a person whom you totally believe that he will take you to the right place. And as luck says, today also I have been asked to take over his shoes. Now you can laugh at, because his size is 34 and mine is 7. So if I put my दोनों पैर भी एक शू में डालूंगा तो फिट नहीं होगी. But I will make an effort. And one more thing I want to tell you, that at any point of time उसकी गाड़ी में उसके पीछे की सीट मैंने रिजर्व रहती थी. It is the only person who can fit behind him. Because no one can fit. Once he sits, take his seat back, there's hardly any space. But I managed to squeeze myself. In fact, when we gone abroad together and we are traveling in economy, the way we travel with each other, he has to take this side seat, का जो handle है, he has to take it up, and then both of us can sit comfortably. With this extra large bed. So I must tell you so many things. Sir, we have learned from you.
Thank you.
And to say thank you to you is like, returning whatever you have done to us, which I will not like to say. I would like to be forever indebted to you, okay, till my full life. So thank you very much, sir, for coming in our life and blessing us for years. I am sure you will do much more better than anyone of us. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, it's very difficult to capture 32 years of your history in 2 minutes, but still it's been a very wonderful journey with you. You first joined, as Jagdish mentioned, in May 1988. You are a source of inspiration to us. You told us everything about the stock market and how it functioned, and I still remember those days in training days in Western Hotel, where you told us how to talk to the client and how to have your, as you mentioned, the fork and spoon, how to handle that, and then all the trips to the exchange with the suitcases and the hours and nights which you spent in
Correct.
the TVs and.
I really have Raghunath them. They worked until 12 in the night and 7 in the morning, okay? So don't any of you forget that. Okay, I have been the hardest taskmaster with the first batch. Okay, we used to end at last train out and first train in, these guys used to be there.
So maybe because of us, after 2-3 years down the line, he mellowed down. He realized these fellows are useless. That's the time things changed.
I still remember we came on Diwali day to finish the year and complete the job. Okay, so that is how, but it was fun. It was a lot of fun
Correct.
those days.
Lot of fun.
Yes, we worked hard, we worked a lot, but it was a lot of fun. It was like we're just out of college, so it was just an extension of college. We never felt like we're working in a company and this is hours of work and all that. So it was very nice, good old days. I mean, we always used to go to him for any guidance, inspiration, anything you want. He was the first person to approach and to help us in all the things. So sir, wish you a very happy life, wish you a very happy
Thank
second innings. And do please remember us, inspire us and guide us whenever we require something. Thank you, sir.
If anyone else says anything, I am always available to all of you. Please remember that. Personal or official, whatever I can do, please feel free to talk to me. Okay? Thanks, Mandy. So that was his nickname, okay? Mandic the Magician. Mandic the Magician, okay? That's why he called him Mandy.
The reason,
Always no, Jaglu and
Yes, he's Jaglu Vaglu.
the reason to call him Mandy was from the other station to Prabha Devi. He used to walk in 15 minutes.
Very good evening to all. A very, what to say, very difficult moment to relive the experience of what Mewawala sir means in our life. We joined as trainees, management trainees, very fresh from college, not knowing what a corporate world is, not knowing what capital market was. And from then on, we have had so many interactions, so much guidance, so much support, so much confidence building. You have taken us through so many things, sir. I cannot, I cannot list down what all things have been taught or guided by you. Do it right the first time. Always be correct in the first moment. No double check. Be confident.
Zero error.
Zero error. Zero error. And
First time right.
First time, right? Good, good. At least you guys are remembering things.
We may not do it, but we remember.
no, sir. We do.
We'll do it. That's it.
Ingrained, sir.
Correct.
So that is DNA, sir. We can't change.
Correct.
And today when we stand here to say goodbye only for the officials, we'll never be saying goodbye to you. We'll be always connected to you, sir.
Thank you.
The confidence that you have instilled in us has brought us to whatever small positions that we are in. I don't think without that confidence from the senior colleagues of stockholding, many of us would not have reached this position. And wherever we go out, we talk to brokers, clearing members, any other market intermediaries. The first thing they ask is Mewawala still there? I said, yes, sir, we continue to be connected. So that is what.
So continue saying that, don't worry.
So for many people outside stockholding equivalent to Mewawala sir. So it was, we are very lucky and privileged to have worked under you and been guided by you. And I will say that he has played a large role in institution building. Stockholding was a very small company. Group of few people started and then we established our name. But what it takes to build institutions, I guess that is where his contribution comes in. I appreciate that, sir.
Thank you.
We are too small to, give any credit to you, but you have touched us, blessed us, and will continue to be guided by your spirit. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Remember, all of you, think big. Okay, it's most important. Think big and have courage. I keep telling everyone, okay, have courage. You guys will max the world. Don't worry. Okay, just have courage. Believe in yourself, and you will max the world. Okay.
Right for stockholding.
Anyone else like?
I'll just say a few words. I was given 30 seconds by Shubha. Leaving stockholding is like leaving a part of oneself. This parting, I'm sure, is not going to be easy for you, and for most of us who have closely worked with you for over 2-3 decades. For me, I just need to thank you for being there at all times. At this moment, my mind goes way back to December 2000, a couple of days before Christmas. I think it was either a Saturday or a Sunday. Sunday. When we were preparing for an audit committee, and how patiently you sat next to me, and we made corrections to a note which has so many corrections. A handful of us were in office, and when I look back, We have all come a long way from there. Another episode was in 2000, the KPMG audit, where you guided me on how to go about tackling them and what to say. As we assemble here together to bid you goodbye, all of us here remember the good times we had with you. And some may be thinking of the firing they got. Goodbyes are never easy. May the years ahead bring you all the joy and relaxation. The best is yet to come.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Would anyone like to say something? Or Elisa?
Yeah, for me, it's a very difficult situation now to see
Correct.
talk about Mehwala. He is more of a friend to me, my friend and philosopher in time. And we have shared all emotions of stock holdings together, both the ups and downs of stock holding. And when I still remember the day I came, the person who invited me was, Chandrasekharan was not there that day, he was abroad. So Mehwala was waiting outside in Mithil Court with a bouquet, waiting for me to, somehow he has come to know from the driver that I am reaching the office. So he came with a bouquet, said, "Help come, welcome to Mehwala." Welcome to stock holding. So from that day onwards, we have become actually a friend. Our journey has been together all through, and everyone knows that we consult each other quite well. And in fact, I can't express in this speech our relationship. Really, it's very difficult for me to express, and I can't even think that he's not going to be there in the office.
No, buddy, you've got only 2 months left.
Yeah, that's right. But still, I still feel
Friendship is friendship. That's it. Don't worry.
Still, 93 is still very much there in my mind, and we have moved very, very closely together all through, and we built this organization together. And all, one thing is, whenever I face problem, he comes and he supports me, and whenever he faces problem, he comes and supports me, and we have a person to lend our shoulders to each other for crying, and that's what the real situation is. And we have shared both the goods and bads of this organization very well. We will continue to be what it is, and all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. See, it becomes very lonely as you rise to the top. Okay, so it's good to have a friend.
Yeah, I am the lucky one who has spent last 3 years with Mr. Mehwala, and we have worked very closely. It was really very, very nice working with him. Though I have been working with him from last 21 years with him, but last 3 years were special to me. He was always like a friend, mentor and a guide whenever he worked with me, and I am always thankful to him for whatever support he has extended to me during last 3 years and before that, and I wish him all the best for his post-retirement life. Thank you.
Sanjeev, you have a wonderful company. Okay, keep it going. Okay, it's the best company. Please keep it going.
Thank you.
Would you like to say a few words?
Me? Okay. See, I've been already talking in between, so I don't have to say everything. Please talk. Okay. All I want all of you to take is courage. Okay, and you will max it. Okay, so please do not get scared. Okay, do not get scared of the environment. Just go for it. Okay, do things that are new. Do things that are, if not bleeding edge, as my Nirmal Jajodia used to say, at least cutting edge. Okay, that was stockholding strength. Okay, do things that are at least cutting edge, if not bleeding edge. Don't do things that others are doing also. Do things that nobody is doing in the market. Think different. Be in the cutting edge, if not the bleeding edge of technology. Technology is the only answer for all that we do. Thanks to now RPA, lots of things can change. Okay, I can almost see our back office becoming zero. I can almost see our counters becoming zero. Okay, with the help of RPA. Okay, so that's been my dream for very long, and I hope we achieve it. Okay, maybe I'm not there, but I've given a lot of thoughts to everyone okay, along the way. LV may not be there to push it after 2 months, but it's left to you guys to get it done. Okay, remember, stock holding has always been at the bleeding edge, if not the cutting edge. Yeah, depository, custody, you name it, e-stamping, we always